Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning and I haven't posted a video for a while, so I thought I would check in and let you know what's going on. I think I'm 1 week pre-op in that my official date is supposed to be May 11. However, as you know, it was originally April 24 with my daughter's being May 11, and we traded to give me more time to recover from an infection I developed after my knee replacement surgery. So depending on what my infectious disease doctor, my bariatric doctor, my orthopedic doctor, depending on what they all say this week will determine whether or not I'm going forward on May 11th. But with or without their permission, I have a much bigger problem, and that is me. I've watched my daughter go through this surgery this last week, and I have to tell you that Jenny Craig is looking really good. And I know that it wouldn't work. I mean, it would work initially, maybe temporarily, but I've been through all of that. The pills, the potions, the powders, the programs, you know. um, I love people who just say, eat less and exercise more and all will be well. If it were that simple, I think we'd have a whole lot less people in this world who are overweight. So I don't know what's going to happen because I have watched her experience this week, the pain that she went through in the hospital, having to be readmitted the next day, having this horrible gas pain for several days. Now she's 1 week post-op and she's feeling much, much, much better. And she's on soft foods and she's grateful to be able to eat cottage cheese. And I'm sure that in another week she'll be like most people and feeling a whole lot better. But I just don't know if I have a third procedure in me. I had my hip replaced last fall. I had my knee replaced a month ago. And now, so I don't know. I went into this several months ago researching it, thinking that by the time the big day came, I would be clear. And I thought about a month or so ago, I was clear that I would do this for me and for my health, for my independence. But now that I'm 1 week pre-op, now is the time to find that magic wand. I wish this were a magic wand. I wish this were a quick, easy fix. But I know it's not. And I don't know if I have the courage and the strength to just go through it and give myself that opportunity. It's very, very, very scary. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that's had these feelings. But I've just been through so much the last few months, and there's no turning back once it's done. I think that's kind of what, I don't know. So that's where we are, folks. I went back to work this week. It was very difficult. I went back 2 weeks before I was expected. I would do fine at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That seemed to be the witching hour, and my fever would spike, and I would come running home and pass out, and usually after a nap and some Tylenol, I'd feel better. So I'm glad it's the weekend. I'm just going to rest all weekend long and try and get my strength up. But we'll see what everybody says this week at the doctor's, and I'll let you know next Saturday if I'm on my pre-surgery clear liquid diet, and we'll take it from there. In the meantime, you have a great week, and you take care of yourself because that's what's important in the end.